You will be master to create meeting invite in MS Teams after watching this tutorial. Let me show you how. Open the MS Teams. This is the kind of similar layout everyone will see. On the left hand side, you can see the second last option, calendar. Click on this option, calendar. A calendar appears. You can see the date, March 26 to April 26. And on the top right hand side, you can see new meeting plus sign. Click on this one. Another small window will appear. Now at the top, it's showing the time zone. You can change the time zone. Mine is this one, so I'm leaving as it is. Add the title of the meeting. For example, if I want to have a KPI or performance review meeting, I will type this one and enter email address. Who will be the attendee of the meeting? So I will just randomly type some name, this one, and I can add as many name as I want. The date, what date I want maybe tomorrow, 31st. And what is the timing of the meeting? So I want to have a meeting at 10 o'clock. And again, the finish time and finish date and finish time is a 30 minutes meeting or 1 hour meeting. You can change the time from here. Or if you click this option, it will select as a all day event. I don't want all day event, so I unselect this one. Next one is, do you want to repeat this meeting? For example, if I want to make this repetitive meeting, I will make it weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, depends on my requirements. So for this example, I'm just leaving the one-off meeting. Add location, I can add the room number, or if it's MS Teams meeting, I'll leave it as an online meeting. I can write here basically in the description detail of the meeting. This is monthly performance review meeting. So here you can write the detail as much as you want. You can font as well. So if you want to make it bold, select it and click bold. It will bold the text. You can also highlight the text as well. The top right hand side, you can see who can bypass the lobby. For example, if I invited this person, Muhammad Riaz, and uh, and if I select this option, people who were invited, so the invitee will enter into meeting without my permission, and the invitee don't have to wait in the lobby. If I select everyone, then anyone can join the meeting. Only me can bypass the lobby. The anyone else who want to join, that person need my permission. Second one is who can present. So either me, the only one who organized the meeting can present, or everyone can present. So I just select everyone. So the other person can also present in the meeting if you want to show any document. So this was it to create the meeting and press send. So it will create the meeting and it has given me the link as well. I can copy the link and send it to whom I want. If I just cancel this one and I want to check in my calendar, I'm in my calendar, so you can see on 31st of March, performance review meeting, this is the title. So on the day, for example, tomorrow, I will just come here, click on this one, press join, and another window will appear. So you can see now this window. So this is the meeting joining window. I will just click here, join now, and it will let me join the meeting. I can turn on my camera from here. I can set my audio from here as well. And or I can click don't use audio. So cancel this one. So this is how you can create a meeting and you can send the meeting invite to anyone who want. What if I want to edit or delete the meeting? So I'll go to the meeting, click on the meeting, click the edit button, and it will take me to the detail of the meeting. I can invite any more attendees here. I can change the date, timing, text, anything I want. I can change it here, and I will just press close. Or when I make any changes, for example, if I type any look if I just type the word letter T, so it's showing me the send update, it will send update to all the invitees as well. So for the timing, I don't have any update, so I will just close it and I will just discard it. So there is no changing in my meeting. And if I want to delete it, press right click, press delete, and it will delete the event from my calendar. It will send the deletion invite to the attendees as well. That meeting has been cancelled. Other options are join with an ID. So if someone else send me the invite and if I want to join that meeting, I click this one, enter the meeting ID and passcode, and this option will activate and I will join the meeting. Next one is meet now. If you quickly just start the meeting with anyone, so you can start the meeting and then you can add the people in that meeting as well. So this was how to create meeting, edit meeting, and send the meeting invite. Hit the like button if you like this video.